Hi everyone, this is Becca Sexton, Director here at the Bastrop Public Library. With the library currently closed, we know a lot more people will be checking out our collection of digital books and audiobooks. Don't have a device at home? Don't worry, you can read or listen to OverDrive books right from your computer. Here's how. From the library's homepage, which you should be seeing right now and which is at www.bastroplibrary.org, click on e-resources in the left-hand menu and select eBooks. Right here, accessing eBooks and e-audiobooks is another tutorial on using OverDrive if you want to reference written instructions after watching this video. Right here at the top under the header is a link to OverDrive. So go ahead and click that. Once you're at OverDrive, it should helpfully call your attention to the sign-in box at the upper right with this pop-up. Click where it says Sign In. Now you may not be seeing all of these fields. You may just have the drop-down menu to select your library, but as soon as you select Bastrop Public Library, you should see these fields for card number and phone number or password. The card number is on the back of your library card, and the phone number is numeric only. Don't worry about entering dashes or spaces. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my information here. Once you've got that all filled in, go ahead and click Sign In. All right, here we go. Okay, now that you're logged in, you're ready to start browsing and to check out and read a book right from your computer. You can search for books by title or author using this search button right here, the magnifying glass. I'll search for Harry Potter just so you can see what it looks like. Here are the results over here on the right, along the left, a pretty standard filtering menu. You can also browse by genre or format here under Collections along the top. To keep things simple today, I'm going to click for Available Now eBooks. All right, let's see what we've got. Oh, well, The Book Thief. I loved that one. Let's go ahead and give that a look. To read more about the book, see a description, or even read a sample right here, this white button, you just click on the book cover. That's how I got us to this screen. To check out the book, click on the yellow Borrow button. Then click Borrow again to confirm. From here, you just click this yellow Read Now in Browser button to start reading right from your computer. Once the book is loaded, to turn the pages, you just click on the right side of the screen, or if you need to go back a few pages, click on the left. This little ribbon along the top here allows you to bookmark a page just by clicking on it. You'll click this circle up here at the top with the lines to toggle between viewing a single page, like we are now, or two pages side by side, as though you were actually reading through the book. You can use this magnifying glass to search for specific words, which is super helpful if you can't remember a character and you need to look up when we were first introduced to them, refresh your memory, that kind of thing. Finally, these three lines right here give you an extensive menu that allow you to set your options for how you read the book. You can change the size and the font of the text. You can also use this menu to go to specific chapters. There are a bunch of other things here. I encourage you to click around, try things out, see what you like, how you like your settings. You can't break it, so just go ahead, give it a try. And don't forget, we're still here to answer your questions. Give us a call at 512-332-8880, and we'll be happy to help you get started on OverDrive.